Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to run Facebook ads for your Shopify store. So stick close and we get it done. Let's jump straight in. The first thing you want to do from your Shopify store is go over to the left hand side and find apps. Now once you find apps, you will go ahead and look at the bottom where it says all recommended apps. Now you can click this, and if you don't see the Facebook or Meta over here, you want to go and click on Shopify App Store, and this will redirect you to Shopify's App Store. So you're going to go up to the very top of the page onto the search bar, and you're going to type in Facebook. Now on the left hand side, you'll see the Facebook and Instagram app. This is what it looks like. It's got the Meta Business Suite logo, and you're going to click on this. And you're going to click on install on the left hand side. Now once you have installed this, you'll be able to run all types of ads on Shopify. So you're going to go ahead, click on install. Now on the other end, while this is loading, we're going to go over to facebook.com. You are going to now log into your Facebook account, and your personal account, right, your name, it needs to be a professional account, and you need to create a page which you'll be running ads from. So I've created a page already. I've got a page running. It's called Helia Corporation, and what I'm going to do is I need to be logged in here. Okay, this just makes the onboarding process a whole lot easier. So from this Shopify page, again, you can see we are in the Facebook and Instagram app. We are going to now tap on get started right over here at the top. Now this will take you through the process. So these 3 steps, first of all, you would like to connect your Facebook account. So let's click on connect account, and this part now becomes easier because we were signed into our Facebook account. So it auto detects our account. We can just tap on continue if that's you. We can say continue again, and if you're not signed in with your Facebook account, you'll have to put in your login details, and it's a lot more unnecessary stuff to do. Over here you can choose the business profile that you would like to connect your Shopify store to. So again, on your Facebook page, you're going to go to Meta Business Suite on the left hand side over here. It may be in a different location depending on what device you're using and what version you're running, and from this page you can see this is my Meta Business Suite. Now this is basically where you run all of your business assets from your Facebook accounts. So if you go over here on the left hand side, you will see your business accounts. So you can see that those are my 2 business profiles. Going back here, you can now connect whichever one you would like. So I'm going to connect this one here, and you can also choose preferences in terms of your data sharing. I'm just going to go ahead for now and say enhanced. This is not very important right now. You're going to go down now, and you're going to have to connect a pixel to track your customer behavior. I'm going to choose the very top one, and here you'll just have to agree to the terms and conditions, and now you're going to submit your request to connect Facebook and Shopify, and it'll go under review, and it'll take a few seconds to be set up and approved. So as you can see now, this process has been completed, and it says run ads on Facebook and Instagram. This is now active. It has got that status there, and we can go into the next part by actually creating an ad. Now when you use this link, right, you're going to be creating an ad straight from Shopify. So if you click on create ad, you're going to be redirected to your ads manager, which you can access from your Meta Business Suite. And if you've used it before to do ads from other platforms, you will be able to do this exact same thing. So we're going to go ahead and just close this. It's just a notification. And on the left hand side over here, you will see that you have all of your ads options, your ads manager options. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to tap on all tools, and it'll bring up a few more tools, and we're going to look for ads manager right over here. You will now be redirected to this page where you can view all of your ads. Now what you want to do is make sure it's on campaign up at the top, and we are going to now create a new campaign. So right over here there's a create button. We're going to tap on that create, and we're going to go ahead and create an ad for our Shopify store. So you can choose from a campaign objective from awareness all the way down to sales. Let us drive some traffic. It also gives you some of an overview as to what that objective traffic source is. You can also do manual traffic campaign settings. We're going to just use the recommended settings. We're going to tap on continue over here, and we're going to now set up our ad. So everything from a campaign name all the way down to the category that your ad is in, and then defining your budget. So if you are choosing either a credit, employment, housing, or social issue, elections, or political ad, you can select one of those. We're going to leave that blank for now, and then we are going to turn off this advantage campaign budget. We're going to tap on next. It'll take us now to the next page where we can choose where we want to drive traffic to. Now, of course, we want to drive our traffic to our Shopify store, so we're going to leave it on website, okay, and this will automatically drive it to our Shopify store because we use this create ad link. So as we're going through here now, we're going to go and leave all of the rest of these settings as is. If you want to alter your budget here, you can. On the right hand side, it does sort of give you an estimation of the audience size with your budget, as well as when you're choosing your actual audience. But for now, we're going to leave it as is, and we're going to go right down to the bottom, and we can choose placements. Placements basically allow you to choose where you actually have your ads listed. So if it's on mobile devices, if it's on desktops, and so forth. We're going to go ahead and tap on next for now, and within this next page you actually get to build your ad. So you can choose your identity, which is your Facebook page on your Instagram account. You can then create your ad over here. So you will be entering media, so of course an image or video. You will also be adding text, a headline text, a description for your ad, and then your call to action. And you can alter those info labels if you'd like to. And then, of course, your destination. Again, where do you want to send people? And you're going to go ahead and you are going to take your Shopify store over here, and right where it says online store, you're going to click on this little eyeball, and in here you're going to copy this URL, which is right here at the top. This is your unique URL for your store, and you're going to enter it in over here, and you can now start seeing what your ad is going to look like. You can now also choose a browser add-on, from a phone call button to a WhatsApp button. You can also define languages and your tracking, and then you're going to go ahead and you're going to tap on publish when you're done creating your ad. Now just remember, you have to still create this ad, right? So you have to add in this ad creative. This is the part where you actually get to design the visuals of your ad, what it looks like, how it feels, and try and reach the audience that you're trying to reach. And as I mentioned, you're going to go ahead and tap on publish, and it's going to be listed in that ads manager just over here on our previous page, where you can see the list of all your ads. Now you can turn these on and off as you would like to go ahead and do so, and then you can now start running these Shopify ads on Facebook. Now if you have any questions, you can go ahead, leave it in the comment section below. We'd love to hear from you. We are here to help, and you can hit us with a like if this was helpful, to continue supporting our channel and allowing us to make helpful videos. We'll see you next time.